कल था अक्षय तृतीया एंड वी क्लोज्ड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4 to 5 डील्स। एक डील जस्ट उन्होंने 50,000 का टोकन दिया है, तो आई डोंट कंसिडर इट एज अ डील इन। सो टोटल 4 डील्स वी हैड क्लोज्ड yesterday एंड ऑफिशियली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल एवरीवन कि थाने फॉर अ बिगर carpet area of 2 BHK has gone up to 1 crore 80 lakhs all inclusive. So yesterday मानपाड़ा में एक डील हुआ हमारा, जिसका all inclusive pricing for a 840 carpet area we sold at 1 crore 78 lakhs all inclusive. So if you are looking for a bigger carpet area in that budget, you have to increase your budget till 1 crore 80 lakhs. अगर 650 तक का कारपेट चाहिए तो 1 करोड़ 40 1 करोड़ 50 लाख का तक का बजट आपका हो गया है प्रीमियम विसिनिटी में। और लोकल डेवलपर के पास जाएंगे तो आपको इजीली मिल जाएगा 1 करोड़ 40 1 करोड़ 50 के पास। लेकिन इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ए कैट डेवलपर विद अ गुड टाउनशिप प्रोजेक्ट, प्राइजेस हैव इंक्रीज्ड। सो थाने, मुलुंड, भांडुप, ये लोकेशन पे आप प्रॉपर्टी अभी अच्छे से देख सकते हो। यू कैन कंपेयर थाने टू मुलुंड, भांडुप एंड ऑल दोस लोकेशंस। So currently I am going towards my office being a Monday. So we don't work on Monday, but today I'm going since my editor has left the job. So I am currently working on these videos, editing and then posting myself only. So I am looking for a video editor soon. So anyone who is interested, who is watching this video can call me or mail me on the given email address and I'll get back to you. So heading to my office. I would also like to thank my entire team for all their efforts on. So I am very choosy when hiring people, when associating with First Square Feet Realty. I make sure that the person has a good personality, has a good communication skill, and is very empathetic. He understands the client's taste, where he is coming from, and accordingly guide the property. So we don't believe in calling clients or following up with them, continuously. We to provide value in whatever services we provide, may it be consultation, may it be site visits, may it be anything. So we always deliver highest quality service in the market. And I'm very happy, I'm very glad that all my entire team is following the same things, which I feel no other channel partner firm is following in the market of and other markets as well. So everyone is behind sales, but I am not behind sales that much. I'm only behind quality. I only prefer to, work with those clients who are, kind of comfortable going with a channel partner, a broker, and understanding the entire market and then purchasing the property after making a thoughtful decision. So I'm very thankful for all my subscribers and all the people who work with me and are associated with First Square Feet Realty. Many a times what I had observed is, so we have a very small team. It's not like a big, huge team, like more than 10 people or something. So what happens many of times that when you call me, on the given number on screen, so either my team is busy with another customer or, they are in general busy with the developer briefing and everything. So your calls get missed and even your WhatsApp messages, since we have a lot of messages that are coming up, they get missed and people generally tend to ask questions like details of the property over the call. So I would suggest my viewers to instead come directly to my office and meet me one on one rather than going on call. So in that scene, what happens that the clarity is very clear. It is very clear what you require and what I should suggest you. So over call, we are not able to gauge whatever that is happening. So I would suggest all my viewers to always, giving a call, dropping an email is okay. But if you can directly visit my office and meet me, so that is the best possible thing that I can do, because having so many inquiries and a small team, handling it is little bit tougher. It's a little bit tougher, and I am working on it, personally, to increase the team size and everything. But then also it should meet my financial power, since I cannot go on increasing the people who are working with me, since I am very choosy in, even hiring them and training them and then getting on board. And it is very risky for a new person, that I let him talk to my clients, because he won't be having that much of market knowledge. So I personally sit one on one and then make them understand how to talk to clients, etc. And afterwards, I, make them sit with the client, talk to the client, understand the client. So it would be very helpful if you could, directly visit my office and have a one-to-one consultation with me. And don't worry, it is absolutely free unless you plan to, go ahead with me, then my charges will be 2000 rupees for a consultation, and that will be end to end valid for an year. You can, whenever you want a guidance, you can just give me a call. I will share my personal number also with you. अभी ऑफिस में तो आ गए हैं और एडिटिंग चालू ही है. You can see total 11 GB की फाइल है. So this video I am editing for this Mulund market. I will schedule this video for coming Thursday or Friday. So you can stay subscribed and get to know entire about the Mulund market in a single video. So if you have decided Thane as your location, since you are attached to Thane, then no worries, you can go with Thane. But अगर आप थोड़ा माइंड दूसरे तरह से भी चलाना चाहते हो और मुलुंड लोकेशन भी आप प्रेफर करना चाहते हो, तो ऑप्शन अच्छा है, ट्रैफिक कम है वो लोकेशन पे, एंड इट्स गुड एक्सेस टू ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस वे एंड ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे, एंड अदर मुलुंड स्टेशन भी काफ़ी नज़दीक है. सो थाने में आप देखने जाओगे तो इट इज़ मोर देन 7 to 8 किलोमीटर्स, अगर जो भी प्रीमियम डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं वो. और आपको अगर थाने स्टेशन मतलब मुलुंड स्टेशन या फिर रेलवे स्टेशन से नज़दीक अगर कोई प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए रहेगा, तो Mulund is a good option. Railway station is hardly 2.5 kilometer from any location in Mulund. So you can definitely consider that location. If 2 GB ho gaya out of the 11 GB, so it's gonna take a lot of time. So what I'll do, I will give you a tour of my entire office. So as you can see, this is my cabin. Okay, your eyes sit and meetings, consultations I carry over from here. Then if we go ahead, so this is where my entire team sits. So it's a small team, so they generally they get very well in this entire room. So here is where they sit and they do all their homeworks and the follow-ups, or like a passage area. And then this is the reception, which you will see. So, and this is the entrance. It is locked. So finally, we have edited the video and the upload is going on. It is showing 14 minutes left for the upload. Then few of the copyright checks will be done, and the video I will be scheduling this for Thursday. So stay tuned for this video. So finally the video is scheduled for Thursday, and right now मेरा रेरा का ट्रेनिंग चालू है for the competency certificate. So let's meet in our next vlog.